Hey, Insect Ghost doing another vlog. Oh, yeah. What's that? That light is flickering like mad on the camera. And slightly in real life. Must be on the way out. Oh, yeah. So I'm going to the proper first day of work. Of this new job. And I'm full of anxiety and such, and just turn that on. I don't know how cold it is really, since I can't access the interweb, since I've not been able to pay the phone bill. For me, I did go in last Friday for the induction, which I'll get paid for. I don't know how much I'll get paid for. So much. But hopefully, maybe next Friday, the Friday after this particular vlog goes out, I'll be able to pay the phone bill. Of course, I think that'd be what's it called? Comic-Con, I think. Yeah. The weekend after this vlog goes up, it'll be Comic-Con Autumn, I believe it is, here in Glasgow. I am excited for. Of course, I'm going to have to inform me landlord about rent. Going to be a bit late, by about a week. But hey ho, yeah, like not getting paid for work, for any work and such. Past few weeks I've not been able to earn any money. Oh, excuse me. It's definitely been one of those past few weeks for sure, and I'm so full of anxiety at the moment. Like I said, it is annoying as all heck. I have not experienced this much anxiety in years. It's definitely going haywire. Quite annoying. So freaking annoying. I don't know who keeps putting these cones out, but they've been putting it out for the past 2 years. So pretty much no one's actually working here. There's no actual plans on doing anything with this particular part of the road. So literally people are putting them out for the sake of putting them out. Pretty sure it's just some lunatics doing so, because yeah, people putting them out and putting them back on this green belt day in, day out, past few years. It's ridiculous. Many hours later, I have finished work for today. They did offer overtime. I said I'd take it. They came back and said it's cancelled. Same old tune as always. I accept overtime, and overtime gets cancelled. A tune I've heard so many times over the past 2 years. Quite the thing, really. Anyway, another day done. Who knows how many more to go. Ay, 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 ay. I am tired. Working all day. Well, until about 2 o'clock. Yeah, from 6 a.m. to 2 p.m. This current work. This current job, hey, Hedgie. Getting back about 3:30ish. If I had my bike, probably be about maybe 3 o'clock at the most, give or take. I am tired. Can't wait until Friday, which is when I get paid. So, yeah, that'll be fun. Absolutely fun. Anything in the letterbox? No. Sod all. My feet are killing me. I am tired. Absolutely buggered. And there's a dog barking. That's all I bloody need. Jeez. I'm tired. It's just Thursday. Hopefully I'll get paid tomorrow for the last Friday. So this is definitely going to be a struggle if I don't get paid for it. Yeah, mostly because I'm getting dangerously low on the old food. And most food banks won't accept someone who's employed. Yes, pretty much. So, yeah, that's going to be a struggle. Anyway, this past 4 days definitely been one heck of a struggle. Most because walking there, waking up at 3, walking to work, walking back, taking so long to actually get there and get back. Thursday the 19th of September 2024. Just got back from work. I've got hiccups and such. It's a bloody pain in the arse. Now, I did turn off the fridge because I had pretty much no food whatsoever. So, yeah. So I decided to see about letting the thing defrost. And this towel is soaking wet. And that is defrosted through and through. Glad you served the purpose. It is now going to go into the wash. So glad that is now defrosted. And of course, I can easily put these in here, take that out, pick it up in a moment. Okay, I was kind of getting sick and tired of having those in there. I need to wipe that down. I'll do for tomorrow. I'll do that tomorrow. I can be putting the recycling. I'll turn the fridge back on tomorrow, since I'm getting paid tomorrow. Yeah, I got the email today saying I'll be getting paid and tomorrow and such. Okay, I've hoovered up and got all that stuff, but I think that's just soaked into the carpet, unable to be removed. I think I need to spray it down, but frankly, when I have the money, all this carpet will be out of here. So, and replaced, because it is really cheap and nasty stuff. Tears up your feet. And I ain't liking that. So once I have the money, I will replace the carpet. Friday the 20th. And I did get paid. A bit more than I was expecting, but yeah. But the nice thing. Yeah. And those cones are not for road working, for whatever reason. They get removed before the morning rush hour. Every time I walk by in the afternoon, after work, all those cones and such are removed, or at least put aside. Makes no sense why they put them out for the evening and put them back. Makes no bloody sense. It's like there's hardly any traffic during the night. Therefore, these cones serve no sodding purpose. There's literally no plans on actually working on the road here or anywhere else. So at the moment, around this area, from what I can gather, definitely have to go to the petrol station close to here to get some food, because ran out of food. So that's grand. Yeah, almost had no breakfast, so therefore I have to get some like a meal deal from the petrol station. Oh well, it's been ages since I had anything from that petrol station. Well, looks like I'm going bloody hungry for today, since the petrol station's locked. Last time I went in there, it was open at this time of the morning. For fuck's sake. This is not what I wanted. There's no shops are open at this time of the bloody morning. It's about 10 to 5. That petrol station's been open quite a few times at this time of morning. Stupid, that's not. I am back. Did not record that road with all the cones. That tends to be where the cones get removed. I was too preoccupied with other stuff. Did get some stuff from the old shopping, as you do. There's one thing I definitely forgot to buy, and that's tea bags. Jeez Louise. Should have crossed the road, went over that direction. Jeez Louise. On another note, I should really look for a tailor who can, do this, because, yeah, it's quite bad. Yeah. I do like this jacket. Had it for years. Wonder if anyone can actually put other wool back. Probably cost a pretty penny to do so. Yeah. I mean, it's got the reflector that goes on along the collar. It'd be awesome if I can get, that sorted. get all that. And of course the reflector does come on and off. Yeah, because it's got buttons here. Don't know if I'm getting that on camera. Yeah, it's pretty much one of the reasons why I don't wear it often. Is how it looks at the moment. But and the only reason why I'm actually wearing it is because my normal black jacket is in need of a wash, especially after working all week in the factory. I really don't know if it can go in the wash. It should go in the wash. I've put in the wash many times before, but should be safe now. Even though it's been dealing with some stuff, maybe put on a lower setting. But hey, hello Magpie, I seen you there. Seeing you right there. Aye. It's definitely a long week, especially with the fact that I've not had a proper meal in quite a while, really. Probably won't have a proper meal for for a few weeks. I mean, I'm going to get a chippy, but before then, some tea bags, because I definitely need some tea bags. And so at some point I'm going to have to see about getting another box of oolong tea, because I ran out of that yesterday evening. A shame indeed. Oh well, c'est la vie, I suppose. C'est la vie. Something like this, buttons on. If I can't actually get this jacket replaced and such, I wonder if I can find a replacement. It really does look like a farmer jacket. Like, alright, I got a brand new coming up style, I'll give her the key. I wish I could do the call accent, but I certainly cannot right now. Aye. Gonna be Scottish. A wee bit Scottish. Who doesn't like a wee bit of a Scottish accent? At least one of them anyway. I'm probably insulting many Scotsmen. Still a bloody mess in here. Jeez Louise. The other side's not as great either. A lot of fly tip. Hey. Got me supper, tea, as I would call it. Sausage supper. I'm still not used to the fact that the Scots, batter the sausages. But here, I also got some Yorkshire tea and some sugar and what's it called? A can of Relentless. And shocking. Though I've not had one in a few weeks, so it's definitely something I can live without. But it's been a long week. Also, some beers, or ale, in the form of Dunbar Amber Ale. Yeah. Yum. Also, I got some sugar ring donuts from Tesco. I mean, they were reduced by a few pence, but for dessert. Yum. Not 100% right now. A bit queasy for some reason, and a bit tired. Also, remember, I'm going to go to Comic Con this coming weekend, so expect me to go there, hopefully. And what's it called? If you're going there, say hi, I suppose. Yeah, just definitely feeling fatigued, feel a bit sick. I don't know. I just hope I don't throw up while working tomorrow. Yeah. So maybe next week, not this coming weekend, but the weekend after, I might be able to take the bike in to get that repaired. I need to put these bags somewhere. But hey ho. Anyway, yeah, I pretty much recorded a video for the main channel. Not out about doing the old Glasgow tours, no. Just a video in here, because I'm not really that grand. I don't want to be walking out and about doing fuck knows what, you know. And the fact that I don't have that much money, I can't really buy a train ticket to go record something. Hey ho, anyway, until next time, ladies, gentlemen, and whoever else, whatever.